All right, guys, we are in Mexico
with Tanner Fox.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
What do you think?
I think that the brakes work. Jesus! You love doing that, huh?
Yeah,
You do that in Lambo too.
Next suspect.
Oh! Bro, this thing is stupid. Oh, how can it stop that fast? Oh my God. Oh crap. She's gnarly, dude.
All right, guys, new suspect. There you go. Hang on.
All right, here we go. My pants and then just whipped it right back in. What goes from nothing to something like so scary fast?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
You know how to drive
a car. That is so terrifying. Those brakes are insane. I'm in the clear. What the? I was so nervous. Let's go.
Talk about the exhaust for the Supra. It's too quiet right now, right? There's a special exhaust we're getting.
Oh.
And the first one's ever to get it, ever.
Yes, sir.
Hey, Mike.
We got Mike here at AFE.
Hey, how's it going, guys?
Good, how are you? I hear you have a surprise for us.
Yeah.
What is it?
We got one of our 4 Supra exhausts that we built for SEMA. Reluctantly was given back that we can actually use for your project. So, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
Hell yeah. One of 4 not even available for sale yet.
Tell all of us in the audience the AFE elevator pitch on why your stuff is so superior. I mean, we've been there, we know, we love it.
They're handcrafted in the United States. Everything's done by hand. You're not getting anything welded by a machine. Everything is done in-house. We don't get nothing outsourced. Everything that you see, we have in stock. We don't get anything from anywhere else. You're not going to get the sound from anywhere else. Specifically our design, like you see here, like our bypass muffler. You're not going to see that from another company. That's something that we developed here. We've introduced it on the Hyundai Veloster and we continued it onto here at the Supra.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you, guys.
Thanks,
See you.
guys.
Okay. Okay, you're out of control. Oh my God. I'm so sorry. Oh my God.
Stop sign.
You are out of control.
Hold on.
Thank
Almost.
God you stopped.
I almost didn't stop. You like
Okay.
you're riding the Supra?
It was really fun, but you almost killed me. So
I didn't kill you. I braked. I stopped in time. You're still alive.
I apologize to everyone for my screaming.
I get offended when multiple people say I almost killed them. It's not me, it's them.
The real challenge is me showing you how to drive your car.
Oh!
Yep.
We're taking it out of sport mode and you're taking me to the grocery store.
Oh my God.
Going to Whole Foods.
Damn. That's way faster than Danny's GT3 RS.
Way fast.
Danny, step it up. What are you doing? What do you do all day? I don't even know.
Got it in the air, Johnny.
It's up.
You ready to do this?
Let's do it.
Now we're gonna do
2 things tonight. We're gonna do an install of a full BC Racing coilover setup, and then we're gonna do
AFE power exhaust. Ready to do this?
oh yeah.
This is amazing. Yeah, that's what we're talking about.
We can put it up right here. Right
Yes.
yeah, AFE power.
AFE power. Here at Sheepy. What are you doing? You look dangerous with that in your hand. Holy.
Oh God, it's so sexy.
I'm excited.
Clamp.
to hear this.
Beautiful she is.
Oh, she's beauty.
She's beauty.
Kiss it.
This is the first one ever.
Kiss it. Unboxing. Oh, look at the tips.
Oh,
Look at the tip.
you can't see it.
I want to see the tip.
Just the tip?
Just the tip. Oh, dude. That's sick.
Who makes this, by the way?
AFE Power, right here in California.
Really?
Yeah.
In-house welding.
In-house.
No way.
Yeah. By hand.
By hand.
Not by machine.
I know, I can tell the difference.
You know anybody who does like good welding around here?
I know a couple guys.
That's the muffler.
That's
This stuff looks really good, bro. What are the steps to removing a suspension? Teach me something.
All right, first things, common sense.
Yeah?
Gotta have that.
Let's go straight to step 2 because I don't have step 1.
All right, so step 2 would be take the wheel off. And then once the wheel's off, there's a pinch bolt here.
Pinch. Do you pinch it to get it off?
No, it's a pinch bolt because it literally, the spindle itself is
Yeah.
split, and that's what clamps the strut to
Okay.
it. So this right here is your dampening unit. So this is an OEM. So
Yeah,
this
we know that.
has-
It's got BMW badging. Yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna delete this stuff. So this is a pitch sensor.
Okay.
So that's itself tells it what height it's at, the rebound.
Yeah.
And then this in here actually is what changes the fluid. It's magnetic. So it puts a magnetic charge on it, and that makes dampening stiffer. Once we get that down,
Okay.
we got a little cover here. Remove the brake cover.
Yeah.
Slide that guy over, and then we have 4 bolts that hold the actual shock mount. And then once we do that, we're gonna slide it out the side and put it out the top.
Booyah!
Yeah, and then we do that 4 times because there's 4 corners,
And don't-
right?
well,
There's
the
that
rear-
common sense.
Yeah, the rear is a little different because it's this.
Maybe I
this
don't have
is
it.
a McPherson style, so that means the spring and the strut are one. That's a
Okay.
McPherson. That's
Alright.
the style. And then the
McPherson.
rear is modified because it's spring and just a shock absorber. Come on, Dave. Come on, like this. No, don't take that out. Don't take that out. You gotta take the shock out. Take the shock out.
Take the shock off.
You, Johnny. You know, your gloves, my hands are clean. Never worked a day in my life. Would you have calluses? Just joking, you guys. Can you help with this, please? I don't have the muscles to do this.
Well, all right. You gotta grab it, and I'll go behind you. I'll show you. I'll show you how it's done. So pull with me.
Okay.
Pull with me. Right. Don't pull too hard because you'll hit yourself in the face.
Feel it. Oh, you feel. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Oh my.
Step 1. Remove the wheel.
That's a big little brake
Chunk out of it. Yeah, we toasted those up pretty
common
good.
The audience loves when I cut people off. So what's the next step? And then what?
Okay, that probably was really creepy. So you were saying there's some stuff that you gotta be careful of when you're taking rear suspension out. What part is that you have to be worried about? Something could shoot out.
Yeah, because we all know Uncle Willie that lost an arm or a leg because of a coil spring. So I'll show you the 411 how not to die. What we're gonna do is take tension off of the spring. What's the nut there?
I don't trust this process. Like, that spring could kill somebody.
Dude, it's like a prison riot. You just gotta watch your back.
Got your back.
Oh yeah.
You see why I put that there?
That's no big deal.
Oh, hold on, John. Those are brand new.
We have all 4 corners done. We have the exhaust installed now, you guys. We have the Epic AFE exhaust, the one meant for SEMA. You can't buy yet.
All right, so step 1, unbox it. Make sure you have all your parts.
Oh yeah.
Or you going taking your car apart that you probably have to get to work tomorrow morning. You never know. They could forget a clamp or something, and then you're gonna be screwed.
So step 1, make sure you have all the parts you need.
Yes.
Step 2, let's unbolt this.
Let's unbolt it. We're gonna take it off in one piece because we don't need to break it down because we're just gonna donate it to the nearest scrapyard.
Well, we need the money. We need the money for this thing. We need the money. We need
Okay,
the
we're
money.
putting it on Craigslist. All right, I'll be honest.
Keep going. Yep. Yep.
It's gonna fall on me.
Come on. So we have the pull jack. The last thing you want is this thing dropping down and then ripping the wiring out. Pick out the chassis brace.
Is this a differential?
That is your differential. You've been using it lately too.
How do you know?
I could hear it. It's saying something in German.
9, 9, 9.
Loosen that guy up a little bit.
Yeah, you want to do the back? Yeah.
Sure.
Okay, it's off.
Ta-da!
Look at that behemoth. Not you, Damon.
Holy.
Look at the muffler. Put it down. Holy shit, that's huge. Working that over here. Look at that new AFE exhaust.
Amazing.
All right, the lighting guy is taking a half break.
No, I'm not. Go on this.
We're going full send.
Jesus damn it. You don't stop eating, dude.
Dude, it's eggplant and tofu.
Yeah, but
really
it's the volume concerns I have.
We're gonna go get some lube, showing jelly.
Why was that in your backpack?
I mean, we have some fun on the
You take
weekend.
the train, don't you?
Damn.
Oh, look at those tips. What's in your mouth?
Nuts.
Show me the nuts. Oh my god. So you used to be a BMW mechanic, right?
Yes.
How much BMW do you see underneath this car? Does it feel like a BMW to you?
100%.
Yeah. The exhaust is installed. It looks absolutely beautiful. Nice and squared up. Johnny, nice installed job on the exhaust. Go follow Johnny on Instagram right now. That is the monetization of the day, is Instagram followers. Let's get him 10,000 followers from this video.
See some behind the scenes with me and Dave, you know?
Oh my goodness! Oh my god!
And going down.
Wheels on. We gotta settle the BC Racing coilovers. We also gotta start the car for the very first time with the brand new AFE freaking exhaust. I'm excited. Bang, bang.
Yeah, Johnny, I think you need to adjust those coilovers, my friend.
Holy, it's a double fisting gap. Ow.
Karma, instant karma.
Caught my hand on that.
How low is low?
All right, Johnny, you've gone too far the other way.
Oh, looks cool.
Yeah, it's definitely down a bit now. It was significant before.
Fastest build on the town.
I'm so psyched. Quick update, the car is so low that it's stuck on the lift and Johnny's doing what he can to get it off.
Oh yeah, bro. It got rid of the gap.
Just right now, we'll take it for a spin. Settle.
Let's take her for a spin, bro.
Well, that sounds better.
You ready for this?
First drive.
Ready?
Oh, the splitter hits when you...
The splitter hits when you brake.
Dude, it is way faster. Why is that?
Back pressure.
Really?
Turbos don't like back pressure, to
Really?
my understanding.
Crazy, bro.
The exhaust completed it.
Totally. Like, look how fast this car is, bro. Watch. Racing coilovers?
Stiff.
It totally made it like not unbearable, but it makes it way tighter than it was before.
And we can tighten that up too. Yeah, it scrapes everywhere. Oh, there it was. Well, it's faster.
It's faster, bro. Yeah? Oh yeah. Like it's fast.
yeah.
You wanna go for a quick boot?
Johnny, how was your ride?
I know she pulls, but that exhaust definitely opened her up. The ride quality, man, I haven't ridden in a car with BC coilovers in a long time.
Dude,
Oh yeah.
look how low it is. It's only that low off the ground now. Now we gotta go and we gotta race Dave in the Supra. I'm telling you, we got some major power back in the Supra. It was getting robbed before from that stock exhaust. I had no idea how much it was gonna make that big of an improvement.
You will not beat me. I don't think so. It's a Lamborghini. Seriously? Look at it. Look at the key. I don't think so. This is a Lamborghini.
Thank you for staying late yet again.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
You had me.
You know, we used to race back here in high school. Our hotel up there, it's exactly a quarter mile. When the light goes green, I'm going for it. Oh yeah, it's already green.